What are we working on today?
We are replacing rear shocks that hold up the rear hatch on the Camaro in a balmy 83-degree garage.
Do we need to turn on the air conditioning?
It would not hurt.
Yeah, sweating just a little bit today. So, turn that on and we'll do turbo mode. Last video, you guys saw us replace these shocks on the front of the car for the hood. Now we're going to replace the ones in the back. It's heavy. All right, you want to grab our safety bracket over there? I got the trunk. We have our safety bracket. There we go.
I don't know how I feel about that. Those are Harbor Freight vice grips.
So the two bolts we have to take out is this one here, which is a T50. And then we got to take this one out up here, which looks like it's an 8mm. All right, you got that?
Maybe. It got heavier.
Oh, I'm sure it did.
I'm not sure what Jim was really thinking with this. Let's make the hood cover all glass.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, these things are stiff. Holy moly.
Maybe we should have left one of the dead ones on one side.
I just knocked the camera off, didn't I?
You did.
Alright, go ahead and hit the trunk release. I'm gonna stand back.
It's the middle?
Yeah, it's the middle one.
You good?
Yep. That actually doesn't do bad. That raises up a lot slower than I was expecting.
I was kind of expecting it to whack you in the head.
Yep. If you guys enjoyed this short little video of us going through and replacing the gas struts on the trunk for the Camaro, hit that subscribe button. Feel free to check out these other videos that will pop up here in a second, and we'll catch you in the next one.